Let's make another part for the 370Z. Today it's Friday, October 24th, 2025. Still, same day, same different day. Yeah, alright. What I did. Since I need only this basket that has a hole here, because somebody cut it, alright, I said, okay, why not, as soon as we are not using the OEM filter, I have to bypass the OEM filter, why to don't remove the OEM thermostat, alright, the OEM fuel regulator and to mount the aftermarket one, you know, the cancellation. And that's what I did actually, alright. I block all the holes everywhere, all around. Why? Because I don't want to contaminate the filter. Why I don't want to contaminate the filter, even that we're not gonna use it? Because it's gonna be synced in the fuel tank. And if it comes any pieces, any plastic pieces inside here, you know, you're gonna contaminate the, you're gonna stuck on the primary filter, right? Alright, so I prepare this, the filter, center unit, called as you like, with the regulator cancellation here, fine. I took apart the pump, it's not a big deal. The hard job for the wiring, it's already been done. This is the easy thing, alright? I get the primary filter from outside and I remove the aftermarket one from the pump and I block the pump here and here to don't contaminate the fuel pump by any means. The basket that I'm gonna throw it out, I'm not gonna keep it here in, that's what I need actually. I don't need complete pump, I just need the basket. A used healthy basket, it's gonna be fine. I don't have any problem. And then I remove the other Venturi valve that has at this point here, alright? Because they want me to drill it at 1.98 millimeters, 2 millimeters, the hole, to increase the hole. This hole, the specific one, oh boy, with one hand, wait, 1 second. Okay, the specific hole here, it's 1 millimeters, okay? And you see also from here where it goes. It doesn't go all the way through, it stops in the middle, in the half. No need to go more actually, all right? But it's important to stop on the same curve to be optimized. You see where's the line there? What I'm gonna do, 1.5, not more than 1.5. For me, I'm not gonna drill it at all, but as soon as they're saying they're drill it 2 millimeters, what I'm afraid that this, it goes at this point, here. If it's escaping more fuel from this side, yes, you're gonna pick up the fuel, you're gonna dump it inside the basket, but you're gonna have a fuel starvation, the other Venturi valve that has from the other side of the tank. That's the thing. I mean, it's different if you say that, you know what, increase this hole diameter, make it 1.5 millimeters and make also the other one 1.5 millimeters, I get it. But now you have 1 millimeter from this side, 1 millimeter from the other side, and now we're gonna drill this to 1.5 and the other one is gonna be 1 millimeter. That makes no sense to me, but I'm not the one who designed all this kit. As soon as, again, I'm not gonna drill it at 2, I'm gonna keep it at 1.5. Alright, fair enough. Or should I wait for the instructions? I should wait for the fucking instructions first. Yeah, this I can do it anytime. It doesn't take time to do that. That's what I'm gonna do. Play safe. Play safe, don't regret it. Alright? Alright. I'm gonna keep the 1.5 millimeter drill bit here, next to it, next to this. This, I have to storage it back in place. Alright, keep it there. I have keep inside only the parts that has to do with the pump. This, I mean, see the basket. If you said to me, the owner, you know what, no, Tassos, put it this one, you know, with the hole there on the bottom, that's what I'm gonna do. I think I mentioned this on the previous video. For me, it's the best thing is to get a healthy basket that does have an opening. Alright? So I was saying that for me, I'm gonna need a healthy basket without a hole, alright? But again, if you see me installing back the one with the hole, don't blame me. Don't say to me, Tassos, what the fuck are you doing? That's not my call, alright? Small update video. I need just only for the pump side, from the pump side, yes, from the pump side, I need to know either we're gonna get a healthy basket without a hole or should I reuse this one? Then one fitting for outside that doesn't fit, like I said on the previous part of the video, and the instructions how to route the lines, because I cannot spend time, you know, start looking, you know, testing which pipe goes where and how to loop it and how to install it, especially with 2 Y connectors. I mean, you have 3, 6 36, and then you have another 3 there. Wait. Alright, with the fittings that I have outside and the lines, I have 72 possible combinations. Alright? I'm not saying about the long lines that's for the from the pump to the filter, from the filter to the rail, probably. I'm saying for the rest of the fittings and the pipes. Okay, that's why I need the installation instructions to don't F my life. Yeah, I refuse to spend how much time there trying to find where it goes the pipes. That's it. Simple as that. I hope that I make myself clear. Instructions, basket, and one fitting. These 3 things to finish it. Thank you very much. By the way, I already mount also this fitting here, this from the pump, and this is the return. That's gonna be the main line, the feed. Now it's coming as a return. Okay, fine. So let's put also this on the video. I have prepared also that. From my side, I prepare what I have to prepare. Now standing by. That's it. Thank you.